Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your taskbar larger on your Windows PC. So you can see it's kind of small right now, but it's not too bad. So actually what we want to do is fix the scaling on our computer. We want to right click on the desktop and go to display settings. And then we want to just choose our display. So it could be like just really bad on one display and it's good on the others. Well, this will be because the display scaling. So you can choose your monitor on the top and then just go to it and go on down under this page and go to where it says scaling. And let's just max this out at 350% so you can see what I mean. And then I can go back. So it's kind of large now. So look how much bigger the taskbar is. So if you change the scaling, this is going to change how it looks on your screen. So everything is just larger. Like everything I do will be larger. Look how big this is. So if you change the scaling, it will change that. Now, if the text size is a little bit difficult to read, we can just right click on this. I think we can just go to settings. Let's just go to settings. And then on the left here, we can go on down to like accessibilities. And then you have the text size right here. And you can just change the text size too. So if that's hard to read, let's go back to display settings and just change this back so I can actually see. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.